Are you ready? Here is what's about to happen for you this month. This is your Choose a Photo prediction video. So typically these videos come out the first Wednesday of every month, but this one's a little bit late because I'm undergoing a major renovation and life has been very chaotic and exciting at the same time. So thank you for your patience as I got this video out for you. I am so excited to finally sit down and film this. I have so much to share with you based on whichever photo you choose. So get ready because here we go. These are honestly some of my most popular and most requested videos that I make each and every month because the messages and predictions are so unbelievably accurate that time and time again, people tell me just how shocked they are. And as usual, I'm not only going to give you the exact message and prediction that you need to hear today, but I'll also share a meditation and an affirmation to use based on whichever photo you choose. So you're not only gonna get the message that you need, but you'll also get tools that you can take action on to really amplify your results as you go throughout the month. So listen up because you're about to hear exactly what you need to know. And if you've been here before, you know the drill, but just in case you're new, how it works is that I'm gonna put up 4 photo cards up on the screen at the same time, and then I'm gonna give you an accurate prediction and manifestation message that you need to hear based on whichever photo you choose. And if you like these types of videos, I actually have a whole playlist called the Choose a Photo playlist. I'm gonna go ahead and link that down below. So after this video, if you wanna get more messages and predictions, you can kind of go on through that playlist. And before we get into the photos, really quickly, if you're new here, I'm Mary Kate and I'm a mindset coach and manifesting expert focused on getting you transformational results. My whole channel is all about manifesting, the law of attraction with meditations and more, where I share the tools you need to get the results you want. Here on my channel, I pride myself in making manifestation make sense without all of the unnecessary confusion. And I post brand new videos every single Wednesday, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. And before we get into the video, go ahead and hit that little thumbs up button down below if you like these types of videos so that I know that you're watching and getting value. It takes just a quick second and let's get right into it. Now, like I've mentioned in my other Choose a Photo videos, this is not tarot, it's not any kind of psychic thing. This is actually based in psychology, energy, visualization, and interpretation. And like I mentioned, you'll most likely be shocked at just how accurate this gets. So here we go. In just a moment, I'm gonna show you 4 of those photo cards up on the screen at the same time. And without overthinking it or going too deep or going back and forth, you are going to choose just one. And I will tell you what it means and what's about to happen for you. And try not to overthink it. I know it's hard to get torn between 2 different photos. Just pick one. You don't even have to like it, just the one that you're drawn to first. So here are the 4 photos. And again, just pick one and I will tell you the message and prediction based on whichever one you choose. Here they are, and you have just a few seconds. If you chose the first photo of the road going through the forest, here is the message and prediction that you were meant to hear, as well as an affirmation and a meditation that will benefit you the most this month. Right now, you might be feeling like you're on a journey where you can't quite see the destination yet. It's like you're moving forward, but there's this uncertainty about exactly where you're headed or how it's all going to work out. And I get it, that can feel really wildly uncomfortable sometimes. But here's what you need to know. Keep moving forward, even when you don't know how it's all going to work out, with a trust that it's all coming together, even if you can't see the whole picture yet. This is actually such a powerful place to be in your manifestation journey, because sometimes when we can't see the whole path laid out, we start to overthink or control every little detail. I know this, I'm guilty of it too, because that unknown causes this almost need to hyper control and fixate on everything. But when we can't see everything, we're actually forced to trust ourselves, trust our intuition, and follow what feels right. You can kind of think of it like driving down a winding road through a forest. You can really only see what's in front of you, maybe the next curve or two, but you can't see the end of the road or the entire journey from start to finish. It's not a straight line, but you trust that if you keep moving forward and following the road, it's going to lead you to exactly where you need to go. That's exactly what's happening in your life right now. You are being called to trust the process, to keep moving forward, even when you can't see the entire path yet. Because the truth is, it's being mapped as you go. All of the pieces are coming together behind the scenes in ways that you couldn't even imagine, in ways that you couldn't have even dreamed of. And sometimes not being able to see everything is actually a blessing. Because if you knew all of the steps, all of the challenges ahead, you might get overwhelmed and try to skip really important parts of this journey. So right now, focus on the next step in front of you. Take that one step with confidence and trust. And from there, the next step will reveal itself, and the next, and onward. And before you know it, you'll look back and see how perfectly it all came together. Even the parts that seemed confusing or challenging at the time, it's all worth it. And if you chose this photo, be sure to start using the affirmation, "It's all working out in my favor, even better than expected." It's all working out in my favor, even better than expected. And also be sure to start using either the receive and release meditation or the in your favor subliminal. You can use them both or pick whichever one resonates with you more. They will both be linked in the description box below. And if you chose this photo, your prediction is that you are going to start seeing deer everywhere. Yes, like the animal. It could be in person, it could be in a photo, it could be in a show, or someone might be talking about a deer. Watch how often deers start showing up for you. And if you chose the second photo of that black and white pattern, here is the message and prediction that you are meant to hear, as well as an affirmation and a meditation that will benefit you the most this month. There's something important that you need to recognize right now, something you need to acknowledge. Because you are stuck in a pattern of repeating the same circumstances over and over and over again. There's this stubborn situation or cycle that you just can't seem to break out of, no matter how hard you try. Maybe it's a relationship pattern where you keep attracting the same type of person. Or maybe it's a financial pattern where money comes in but then quickly goes out. You can't seem to hold on to it. Or maybe it's even a pattern of how you approach your goals, getting really excited at first, but then just losing momentum. Whatever it is, it's time to notice the pattern so that you can finally shift it. Because here's the truth. These patterns don't just happen to us randomly. They're created by our thoughts, our feelings, our beliefs that are actually running on autopilot beneath the surface. You can think about it like this. If you're not liking what you're experiencing in your life, get curious and figure out what you're thinking or what you're feeling or what you're choosing to believe that is holding you and causing this pattern to repeat and to keep you staying there. Because our external reality is always a reflection of our internal state. So if the same situations keep showing up, it's because something within you is calling them in over and over again. But here's the good news. Once you identify the pattern, you have the power to change it. So start by asking yourself these questions. What thoughts do I have about this situation? What emotions come up when I think about it? And what might I believe about myself or the world around me that's creating this experience over and over again? And be really honest with yourself. It only works if you're honest. Awareness is the first step to transformation. Once you can see this pattern, you can consciously choose a new thought, a new feeling, a new belief that's going to in turn change what you experience. It's going to change your results. And when you change what's happening on the inside, your external reality has no choice but to shift as well. When you become different, your life becomes different. It's almost like breaking a spell that you didn't even know was cast. Set yourself free. And if you chose this photo, start using this affirmation. I am willing to change my mind and see this differently. I'm willing to change my mind and see this differently. Repeat this to yourself whenever you notice the old pattern coming up again or playing out again. I'm willing to see this differently. And if you chose this photo, be sure to start using either the block eraser subliminal or the morning programming meditation. You can use them both or pick whichever one resonates with you more. They will both be linked down in the description box below for you. And if you chose this photo, your prediction is that you are going to start seeing repeating numbers everywhere. It might be 111 or 222 or 333 or any kind of sequence that keeps repeating. It could be on clocks, on license plates, on receipts, maybe even phone numbers. Pay attention to when these specific number patterns keep showing up. They're confirmation that you're on the right track. And if you chose the third photo of that iced crystal formation, here is the message and prediction that you were meant to hear, as well as an affirmation and a meditation that will benefit you the most this month. For so long, you have been working hard, maybe even to the point of overworking yourself. You've been in this state of constant doing, always busy, always productive, always checking things off your to-do list. And while there's nothing wrong with hard work and dedication, there comes a point where pushing harder actually works against you. And that's exactly where you are right now. It's time to soften and get into an energy of ease. Because here's the truth that might be kind of hard to accept. In that ease, you'll actually start to receive even better results than you were expecting. And I know it sounds counterintuitive. It goes against everything we've been taught. We've all been taught that doing more equals more effort equals more results. But when it comes to manifestation and creating the life that you want, that's not always true. Sometimes the hardest thing to do is to actually just stop trying so hard. Think about it like this. When you're constantly in action mode, you're sending a signal to the universe that you don't trust it to show up. You don't trust yourself to receive it. You're essentially saying, I have to make this happen all by myself. But manifestation is co-creation. Yes, you do need to take action, but you also need to leave space for magic to happen. And when you soften into ease, you open yourself up to receive in ways that you could have never planned or forced, where opportunities flow to you, the right people appear at the right time, and solutions just show up effortlessly. So how do you shift from doing to receiving? Well, start by creating more space in your life. Schedule time for rest and play, and say no to things that are draining your energy. Let go of the need to control every single outcome, and trust that what's meant to find you will always find its way to you. And most importantly, notice how it feels when you're in a state of ease versus in a state of pushing. Your body will tell you when you're forcing things versus when you're in actual alignment and flow. And if you chose this photo, be sure to start using this affirmation. It's safe for me to let go and receive. I'm deeply supported always. It's safe for me to let go and receive. I'm deeply supported always. Say this to yourself whenever you notice yourself slipping back into overworking or pushing too hard or trying to control things. And also, be sure to start using either the receive and release meditation or the energy of receiving subliminal. You can use them both or pick whichever one resonates with you more. They will both be linked in the description box below. And if you chose this photo, your prediction is that you are going to start seeing bluebirds everywhere. It could be in person, it could be in a movie, it could be on TV, it could be in a photo, maybe even a sticker. Watch how often bluebirds start showing up for you. And if you chose the fourth photo of the ocean waves, here is the message and prediction that you were meant to hear, as well as an affirmation and a meditation that will benefit you the most this month. Right now, you may be feeling trapped in a situation that feels chaotic. There might be a million different moving pieces, and it kind of feels like you can't keep up or that you're constantly overwhelmed, whether it's at work where deadlines are piling up, or maybe even just your personal life where multiple challenges are just hitting you all at once. Or maybe it's even just your manifestation journey where nothing seems to be going as planned. And in moments like this, it's easy to feel like you're just drowning in the chaos. But here's what you need to remember. Slow down. Take it minute by minute, situation by situation, and it will all work itself out. You can handle it. You've got this. When we're faced with overwhelming situations, our instinct is to often try to solve all of the problems at once and move on. We're looking at this huge wave coming at us in just this feeling of panic. But the truth is, you don't need to handle the entire wave all at once. You just need to deal with what's right in front of you. Break things down into smaller, more manageable pieces rather than trying to do everything at the same time. Focus on one task, one challenge, one moment at a time, and then move on to the next moment. And before you know it, you'll have navigated through what almost seemed impossible when you first thought about it or first started. And it's also important to remember that chaos often precedes transformation. Kind of like how the ocean appears most chaotic right before the wave breaks, it can feel really overwhelming before a breakthrough. So this chaos that you're experiencing, it might actually be a sign that something amazing is about to show up and happen for you. All of the pieces are rearranging themselves to create something better than you could have ever possibly imagined. But you need to stay present and centered to recognize the opportunities within this chaos. Take deep breaths when you feel overwhelmed. Take it moment by moment and remind yourself, this is temporary. It's all temporary. And trust that you have everything you need within you to navigate you through this chaotic time. You do. And if you chose this photo, I want you to start using this affirmation. I'm at ease because it's all working out in my favor. I'm at ease because it's all working out in my favor. And use this as a tool to repeat to yourself whenever you're feeling overwhelmed or anxious. And also, be sure to start using either the nervous system reset subliminal or the chakra balancing meditation. You can use them both, or you can pick whichever one resonates with you more. They'll both be linked in the description box below for you. And if you chose this photo, your prediction is that you are going to start seeing bubbles everywhere. It might be in person, it might be on TV, or someone talking about bubbles, maybe even bubbles just floating through the air around you. Watch how often bubbles start showing up for you. So those are the 4 photos. Let me know which photo you chose, if it was 1, 2, 3, or 4, and if the message resonated with you. I always love hearing the results from these videos, and I pretty much read through and respond to every single comment. And like I mentioned, if you want to see the other Choose a Photo videos, they're linked in a playlist in the description box below. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell notification so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. You can also find me over on Instagram and TikTok and Threads at MK Magic Mindset, and if you want to learn more about me, my programs, how to work with me, and more, you can visit my website at mkmagicmindset.com, and I will see you in the next one.